Welcome my oil lab. I'm Dr. Jeff. This is my little wife, Megan. If you're new, welcome. Check out our website, myoillab.com. We have a free gift for you there. And then also our master guide. So check that out. But today's Jasmine. Jasmine is a beautiful, beautiful oil. Before we really get into the science, the chemistry, how to use it, I want to tell you guys the backstory. This oil is from Egypt, and it's very unique, very special. The women will wake up at about 2:30 in the morning, and they go out and hand harvest the oil about 3:30, 4 o'clock before the sun rises, because that's when the oil is the most potent aromatically and also within its chemistry. If they wait until the sun rises, when the sun hits the petal, it starts to change the chemistry and dilute the chemistry of the oil. It takes 6 million jasmine flower petals to make 3 gallons of oil. It's incredible.
So it's one of my absolute favorite floral essential oils. Jasmine is so good. The aroma is so intense with floral that it's one of the most sought after essential oils when it comes to the perfume industry. And that's exactly how I like to use our jasmine essential oil. I just roll it right on my wrist, right on my neck as my perfume just by itself. It is beautiful. Now, there's really cool emotional connections when you use jasmine topically. It's uplifting. It has a sense of connection to oneself. So self-acceptance, self-love. It just helps you start your day great right off the bat when you use it first thing in the morning.
It's also a powerful heart-opening oil.
Yes, extremely, extremely. So it has a very cool sexuality to it. It's an intimate essential oil, so it helps promote a healthy sexuality. It stirs feelings of euphoria and romance. Now, did you know that it was the queen of skincare?
Yes, I use it on my face a couple times a week.
I did not know this. So tonight, I am going to be adding jasmine essential oil to my skin care routine, and I cannot wait.
The major molecule is benzyl acetate, and this molecule is an ester. And as we know, esters are calming, grounding, relaxing molecules. So jasmine can be used to reduce feelings of anxiousness or depressed type feelings. And in fact, recent study was done where they looked at jasmine in the early stages of labor, and jasmine really was powerful at reducing the anxious feelings for women when they're going into labor. So if you know somebody, if it's you and you're going into labor, apply jasmine topically on your wrists, on your neck, on your chest, and it's really going to help you get past that first stage where you're just kind of freaking out and get you more into a calm, relaxed state so you can really focus on delivering your baby. So let us know, you guys, how you love to use jasmine. Please share this video, comment, like, and help us make an impact all over the world. We love you guys, and we will see you next time.